Hey there, Instagrammers! Are you looking to update your Instagram game but feeling a bit stuck? Well, don't worry because today we've got you covered. Ever thought about changing your email on Instagram but didn't know where to start? You're not alone. But fear not, because in this video we'll guide you through the process step by step. If you're like most of us, you've probably been using Instagram for a while now. But let's face it, back in the day we didn't really pay much attention to the email we used to sign up. Fast forward to today and we prefer having one email for everything online, right? So, if you're itching to switch up that old email on your Instagram account, stick around because we're about to show you how it's done. But wait, some of you might be wondering, can you even change your email on Instagram? Absolutely. Keeping an active email linked to your Instagram account is crucial for security and account recovery. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty. First up, let's tackle how to change your email on Instagram using the mobile app. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, we've got you covered. Step 1. Open up your Instagram account. Step 2. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Hit that Edit Profile button. Step 4. Navigate to Personal Information Settings. Step 5. Tap on Contact Info. And then Email. Step 6. Enter your shiny new email address and tap Done. You'll receive a confirmation email. Just open it up and hit Confirm Email Address. Easy peasy. Now what if you're more of a desktop or laptop person? No worries, we've got steps for you too. Step 1. Head to Instagram.com in your browser and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Select Edit Profile. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Information Settings. Step 4. Click on Account Center. Step 5. Tap on Personal Details and again click on Contact Info. Step 6. Tap on Add New Contact and enter your new email. Step 7. Delete the old email if you want and save the settings. Lastly, confirm the action by going to your email and clicking on the confirmation link. But hold on, what if you're a business account? Don't worry, the process is pretty much the same. Just follow the steps we've laid out earlier, update your details, and hit Done. And there you have it, folks. Changing your email on Instagram doesn't have to be rocket science. With these simple methods, you'll be updating your email in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Instagram tips and tricks.